I like the fact that it's pretty much everything that you would ever want is already built into the home, and you just kind of walk in and there you go. I'm Paul and I live in Castlebrook Crossing. It was mostly move-in ready. It was almost completed when we purchased it. So it's probably been one of the best buying experiences I've had for a new home. One of the things I was really impressed with is that all the documentation that was provided after the fact. Once we closed, we were provided a folder, an online folder that had pretty much everything that we would need to know. Just something as simple as the warranties for the heating and air unit and the tankless hot water heater. We were provided with emails with exactly how to register for the extended warranties of those things, which was really cool. I still remember walking into the house that we ended up purchasing, and one of the neat little touches, it has the speakeasy door. It's just a little window that pops open and up. It's pretty small. You wouldn't think that would sell a house, but for some reason that kind of stuck with me. And so color combination of the house and how the outside appearance was, I really like the craftsman style. That really kind of just all fit for us. So it works well for our space and our needs.